If you want to know how you can set an alarm clock on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the clock app. Now if you cannot find the clock app on the home screen, just swipe to the right side and open the app library. And in the app library, just look for the clock app. Then tap on it. Now at the bottom of the screen, just go to Alarms, then tap on the plus icon over here. And from here, just set the time for your alarm. Just like that. And after you set the time for your alarm, you can tap on Repeat. And from here, you can select when to repeat this alarm. Just like that. And after you do that, you can tap on Alarm Label. And from here, you can give a name to this alarm. After that, you have the option of sound. Now, if you tap on sound, you can set a sound for your alarm. After you set a sound for your alarm, then go back, and from here you can set the duration of snooze. Let's select 5 minutes, and after you've done that, now just tap on Done to save. And as you can see, we have successfully created an alarm. And this is how you can set an alarm clock on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.